Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to sign up for a RouteNote account. It's very easy. RouteNote is actually a music distribution service platform, just like TuneCore, DistroKid, United Masters, CD Baby, and more. Alright, now the RouteNote is actually free to use. Now you can sign up for free and upload your song on RouteNote and have it released on music streaming platforms for free. Though there are some available plans on RouteNote for you to access more features, right? So let's take a look at why you need RouteNote. Now this is why you need RouteNote as a music distribution service platform. If you scroll down right here, you're going to see that RouteNote is simple, professional, and totally free. Alright, now let's scroll down. As you can see, RouteNote covers 95% of the digital music market, right? So with RouteNote, you'll be rest assured that your song will be distributed on over 95% of the digital music streaming platform. All right, so let's scroll up and look at the RouteNote pricing. Now if you look right here guys, as you can see, there's the free plan on RouteNote, and these are the packages it comes with. It allows you to get full access to all services, unlimited artists, unlimited uploads. You keep 85% of royalties, that's the revenue, and it's free forever, right? So I recommend you to go for this one. All right, but if you want to go for the RouteNote Premium, it costs you $10 to upload your song, and you get full access to all services, unlimited artists, unlimited uploads. You keep 100% of royalties, and yes, there's no lock-in forever. All right, so and this is the third plan, which is custom pricing. All right, so I would just recommend you to go for this first plan if you are a new artist. All right, so what we're just going to do is to click on get started. All right, click on get started, and now you can now start creating your account or signing up for a new account. So you're going to start with your username. So what's going to be your username? All right, for example, this is my username. My email address is this. Then create a password. Confirm the password right here. And then what we have to do next, all right, so we have to click on this drop down icon to choose a security question. So this question could be asked when you when you forget your password and you're trying to recover back your account. So I'm going to pick this one. Yeah, I'm going to pick that one, and you have to add the answer to the question. Yeah, so the question I picked was, who is your favorite band/musician? All right, so I'm going to enter Burna Boy, and then I'll scroll down So here you have to enter your PayPal email address. This is important for payment, I think. So enter that. So if you have a referral code, click here to enter your referral code, but if you don't, just skip that. And here it says yeah, if you want to stay up to date with RouteNote, check this box. If not, leave it unchecked. You have to check this box. It's compulsory, so check this one and check this one to confirm that you're not a robot, and then click on sign up. Alright, so RootNote is creating our account for us, so let's wait for a few minutes. Alright, so what we have to do now is to confirm our email address. Alright, so what we have to do now is to go to our email and confirm our email address. So it's opening our email from us. So once that is confirmed, guys, you have successfully signed up for an account. So let's check that. So this first email, so I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, it's from RootNote. So I'm going to scroll down and click on this confirm email address. Now it has been confirmed and our account is now validated. So I'm going to click on this login to log into my account. Alright, so this is our RootNote dashboard. Alright, so guys, this is how you can actually sign up for a RootNote account. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload your music on RootNote. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching.